Starting with the 2016 A-level paper, question number 40. What can we say about this number? Demand for Sri Lankan rupees in the foreign exchange market is derived from. When is the Sri Lankan rupee demanded? When Sri Lanka is getting money or paying money? Tell me that. When do people demand for the rupee? When they have to pay us, right? When Sri Lanka is getting money. So when Sri Lanka gets money, or in other words, when those people have to pay us, then what happens? Demand for the rupee increases. This we have learned in our theory. So go through and see, Lamai, when is Sri Lanka getting money? Very easy. First one, exports, we are getting money. Capital outflows, no, that is money going out. Wrong. Exports, we are getting money. Capital inflows, can be our answer. Imports, no, money is going out. Imports, no. Government holding excess reserve, that doesn't really affect the demand. So answer number 2, very basic question. Capital inflows, Namai, means money coming in for indirect investments, portfolio investments. That's what they call capital inflows. 41. Very simple. Other things being unchanged and appreciation of the domestic currency. What happens now? If our Sri Lankan rupee appreciates, what happens? Lowers the domestic price of imported goods. Correct, right? When LKR appreciates, imports become cheaper. So can be number 1, lowers the domestic price of import goods. Raises the domestic price of imported goods? No. Does the world price change? Just because your currency appreciates, can you say the world price changes? Now, let's say, for example, we are importing barrel of oil. Let's say 1 barrel of oil is $100. Earlier, our exchange rate is $1 is 300, right? Earlier, our exchange rate is $1 300. Now, our exchange rate has appreciated $1 250. So, earlier to buy this barrel of oil, we paid 300 into $100. That is 30,000. Now, we are paying 25,000. So, it's the domestic price that has gone down, no? Has the $100 changed? Has the world market price of the barrel of oil changed? No. So, you can't, therefore, can't say 3 and 4. You can't say the world price will change because our currency appreciates. Our domestic price is what will change. Okay, so have that in mind. Okay. No, not the world price of export goods also. Okay. Lowers the value of the domestic currency? No. LKR appreciates? No. It raises the value of the domestic currency. 41 is 1. So these are not very hard. Shape them. We'll anyway go through a lot of similar questions in our MCQ book also. Fine. 41. Going to 42. Easy one. Now these numbers are different. I didn't check. Just can just check. Sometimes I would have typed the numbers wrong. Just check with your past paper book. Sometimes I'll not correct one by one. Just compare with your past paper book number and see. So when you all are just looking at the answer, look at the correct question in the past paper book. Okay. Right. This one. Suppose a Sri Lankan company receives a dividend of 40 million from its garment factory located in Middle East. The double entry. Ayyo. Lamai, Sri Lanka is getting money or paying money? Are we getting or paying? Sri Lanka is getting, no? Sri Lankan company receives. So if Sri Lankan company receives, what's the double entry? Debit, financial account, currency and deposit. Then where does dividends go, Lamai? Dividends. Dividends goes under your current account. No, remember current account, primary income. In primary income, we have Rent, wages, interest, profit, dividends. So current account, primary income. So we see which one is the answer. Debit financial, credit current. Can be number 4, no? Credit current account, debit financial account. So these double entries are almost free marks either. Always think whether we are getting money or paying money. If we are getting money, debit financial account, currency and deposit. If we are paying money, credit financial account, currency and deposit. And then once you figure out one side of the transaction, other side of the transaction is easy. Okay. Other things in the primary account, primary income account has rent, wages, interest, profit and dividend. Okay. Overall balance is calculated separately and now put. We don't go into there in our syllabus. Is that fine? 2060. 3 out of 3? Yes, overall balance will have, there is an impact on reserves. You don't have to know that much. Nice, good.